What do you think about coal mining? Maybe it's just pulling out a bunch of black rocks from a cave. Maybe it's a useless, time-wasting job and coal is not needed. How much percentage do you think coal energy takes of all the energy of the United States of America? 20, maybe 30%? Well, 50% of the energy America uses is from coal energy. That's a whole lot since America is so big. There's no slack, no time to relax in a coal mine. Let's imagine it's your first day of coal mining. The instant you step foot in the coal mine, you're in a status that will make you run out of that instant. It is dark, darker than the darkest night. Your headlamps are the only sources of light. You shovel up coal onto the conveyor belt. Your legs are tired out by squatting down the whole time. If you leave your lunch lying around, the rats will scoff it. Only when 8 hours of shoveling in the dark, a dusty cave, you can go home. During those 8 hours, there are a ton of things that can go wrong. If the coal dust and toxic gas mixes, it will blow you sky high. If you decide to go a pillar in which you have to get rid of pillars of the coal mine, you get trapped there forever. If your shovel gets stuck, the conveyor belt will drag you along and kill you. Oh yes, coal is important, but many lose their lives in order to get it. Although coal is one of the best sources of energy, it's not too great. Surface mining, the cheapest and easiest way to mine coal, involves blowing up a mountain. Thousands of trees are dying in that process. Plus, by using it, it produces carbon dioxide. We should use alternative energy sources like solar energy or geothermal energy. This will also help coal miners and get better jobs. Yes, it will be expensive, but we can gain a lot more than we use. Yes, without the coal mines, West Virginia is a dead battery. But by using alternative energy, there will be more jobs. Yes, there are dangers of volcano eruption by certain kind of energy, but we find a way to make it safe. We need to use alternative energy in order to save the environment and coal miners.
Okay, great.